Now, when did the DENT Institute get involved in cannabis? And was that sort of a logical fit for you guys?
Illogical. It was not logical in any way, shape, or form. Only reason we got into it because we take care of so many people. So when cannabis was made legal in New York State about 6-7 years ago, we were getting phone calls, 500 a day. I said no. I have no idea about cannabis. I'm not a smoker. I'm not a user. I don't even use alcohol, which makes me tremendously boring. So the point is, the next day was another 500 phone calls. The third day, another 500 phone calls. Now, if you run a business, you can imagine how much money and energy that takes to answer those phone calls. So I had said, look, let's get into cannabis. Let's make a clinic. Let's start learning about it. So because our business model is so private and not institutional, we're able to set up a cannabis clinic. And for the next 6-7 years, it took that amount of time to understand the use of cannabis in patients with neurological symptoms, including pain. And you're self-taught. I mean, where are you going to go? Medical school? They don't teach it there. So the only good places to learn is at these conferences. And so I was honored to be, at these conferences everywhere from Tel Aviv to Malta, Europe, and the United States. So I've been part of this, and I've been learning as we go. And now I feel I have an expertise, because how do physicians understand medicine? They have to see patients. So right now in the clinic, we have over 13,000 patients on cannabis for medical reasons. So I don't deal with recreational, and I need to emphasize that. I'm purely on the medical side. I'm purely there to legitimize this whole process.
Excellent. So was there a light bulb moment, or was there a specific piece of evidence that you saw that, kind of clicked in your head that, there's something to this cannabis?
Well, as you're seeing patients, as they come up to you and they throw their arms around you and hug you, that's the changing moment. That you found something where patients said, you changed my life. You got me off opioids. My quality of life is improved. And with tears in their eyes, they're hugging you and saying, thank you. That's the moment that every physician wants in their life. And I got that in cannabis, interesting enough. I deal with bad diseases. I deal with, brain cancer. It's one of my specialties. And it's you never get that moment. So yeah, it changed the way I practice. I still do, brain tumor research and treatment. I do other things in neurology, but cannabis has been an eye-opening moment where you can change the quality of life of individuals by understanding how cannabis works on human beings.